Welcome to the Daily Market News for April 9, 2019. This is James with Elliott Wave Forecast.com. Let's take a look at what happened in the markets today and what's on tomorrow's economic calendar. The broader Asian markets were mixed but basically flat, as the Shanghai Composite closed down 16 basis points, the Hang Seng up 0.27%, the Kospi up slightly at a positive 13 basis points, Nikkei down just 0.19%, and Australia's ASX 200 up a mere 1 basis point. European markets, however, were red across the continent, with the DAX down again at minus 0.94%, Euro stocks down 0.47%, the FTSE down 35 basis points, and the CAC down 65 basis points. The U.S. market followed Europe's lead, closing down in all major indexes, with the NASDAQ down minus 0.56%, the Russell Index down minus 1.02%, the S&P 500 down 60 basis points, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average down again by 70 basis points. Energy took a break today from its recent tear to the upside, with Brent down minus 0.58%, natural gas down 15 basis points, and oil retracing 45 basis points on the day. The financial mass media searched for a reason for the red day, blaming the declines on indications that the U.S. may see a longer, more extended set of trade battles in a, quote, forever trade war, courtesy of CNBC. Other concerns are that investors are nervous about corporate earnings and having to compare against the robust base effects from prior quarters and year over year. Looking at the chart of the SPX here at Elliott Wave Forecast.com, we simply feel we're ending a cycle from the 325 lows and close to ending a larger cycle from the December 2018 lows. And that the very nature of the market calls for a healthy correction as part of the natural course of the cycles, as we map day in and day out. The economic calendar for Wednesday, April 10th is robust, with Chinese new loan data set to be followed by BOJ speak at 6:15 GMT. The big event on the day comes at 11:45 GMT, as the ECB rate decision is announced that is sure to have an effect on major world markets across the globe. At 12:30, the US CPI index is released, and at 1800 GMT, we receive insight into the last FOMC meeting, as the minutes from the March are released that should provide action through the close of the US markets on Wednesday. Thank you for joining me for today's market news. We look forward to the rest of the trading week. Come check out how our unique technical analysis can help you stay ahead of the news in 78 different financial instruments as you navigate market expectations through a free trial subscription of any one of our group offerings.